How to fix iPhone battery draining too fast in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in this video I'll share some quick fixes to help you save battery life. Let's get started. Check for app updates. Open the App Store. Here, tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to see if there are any pending app updates. Update all apps to ensure compatibility with iOS 18.1. Enable low power mode. Go to Settings, tap on Battery, and toggle on low power mode. This reduces background activity and helps extend battery life. Disable background app refresh. Swipe back to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and hit Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps you don't need to update in the background. Check battery usage stats. Swipe back to Settings, tap on Battery, and check which apps are consuming the most battery. Force close or limit usage of battery-intensive apps. Update to the latest iOS version. In Settings, go to General, then Software Update. Ensure you're running the latest version of iOS 18.1 or any new patches that might fix battery issues. If nothing works, swipe back here, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer and Reset, then on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset system preferences. And that's it. Try these tips to fix the battery drain issue on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.